Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to talk about how to prevent and control aphids. Let's get started. Introduction to aphids. Aphids are small-bodied insects that infest most cultivated plants. They're also known as plant lice and feed on sap using pierce-sucking mouthparts. These insects cause serious destruction since they feed in colonies and spread the virus they carry from one plant to another. Symptoms of the pest and the damage they cause. Have you ever noticed tiny insects on your healthy-looking flowers or vegetables and are wondering what they could be looking for? There's a high likelihood that these are aphids. Aphids target cultivated garden plants. Their symptoms include twisted and curled leaves, stunted or dead shoots, sluggish growth, and yellowish foliage. Additionally, aphids release a sticky substance on the plants called honeydew that turns black with a moldy fungus. How to get rid of the pest. When you notice damage in your leaves, stems, and buds, it's time to act and save your plants. You can get rid of aphids in the following ways. Use water. This is considered the safest and easiest way of getting rid of insects. All you have to do is spray them off with water. Because they are small-bodied animals, they are easily pushed off a plant using water and are less likely to get back up. Hand-picking. If the aphids have just infested the plant and are not plentiful, you can use your hands to pick them and even squish them. They are light and easily crushed. This method might not do away with all the insects, but it will allow the plant to grow healthy leaves again. Neem oils. Alternatively, you can opt for neem oil to control your pest infestation. The organic compounds in this oil act as a repellent for various insects, including aphids. The only challenge is that it can do away with other useful insects in your plants. To avoid this, use the neem oil in manageable amounts so that it only gets rid of the aphids. Insecticidal soaps. Additionally, you can use soap and water. Apply the spray directly on the aphids and the affected parts. Also, don't forget to soak the underside of the leaves where larvae and eggs are hidden. Chemical control. There are many recommended chemicals that you can use to get rid of these insects. You can always consult agro-vets on the right ones that will not harm your plants. However, most people prefer natural methods, so this should be your last resort. How to prevent them. Monitor plants. Always ensure that you are keen on how your plants are growing. Frequently check your plants for the presence of aphids, which typically infest plants during the hot seasons. Look out for ants. Aphids produce a sticky substance called honeydew that ants enjoy. So when you spot any ants, there could be a presence of aphids. Identify them and do away with the insects before it's too late. Plant onions. Aphids do not like the smell of onions, so plant onions, chives, and garlic around your farm so that they'll discourage aphids from sticking around. Avoid over-fertilizing your plants. Aphids enjoy feeding on plants with high nitrogen levels. The best thing would be to fertilize your plants with a slow-release fertilizer so that nutrients are released gradually. Thanks for watching.